Good morning, grade 10. So today, we will be having our fourth lesson, and the lesson is about arithmetic series. Now, what are arithmetic series? So first, before we proceed with the lesson, let us have first our learning targets. Ano ba yung mga dapat nating ma-achieve or maintindihan, matutunan for this day? Now, for today, you will be able to determine the sum of a given arithmetic series. Now, let us try to connect. Ano ba pag sinabi nating sum? Kukuhanin daw natin yung total, yung sum ng isang arithmetic sequence. Now, ano nga ulit si arithmetic series? Ano ba kapag sinabi natin arithmetic series? Ano ba yung pagkakaiba niya kay arithmetic sequence? So grade 10, when we say arithmetic series, it simply refers to the expression formed by adding the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So si arithmetic series daw ay nabubuo kapag pinag-a-add or pinagpa-plus natin yung mga terms ng isang arithmetic sequence. And the variable that denotes the sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence or an arithmetic series is S sub n. Kung dati, nung hinahanap natin yung nth term, ang variable is A sub n, ngayon naman, it is now denoted by S sub n. Now, let's have examples para mas madali nating maintindihan. Pero bago tayo mag-examples, ano muna yung formula? Kasi obviously, we will have the formula kasi hindi naman pwedeng sabihin natin na find the sum of the first 50 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Paano natin i-add yun? I-add natin from the first term plus the second term plus the third term and so on. And that is time consuming. So, may formula po tayo. So, the first formula na gagamitin natin is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Andyan po si a sub n. So, therefore, in the process of obtaining the sum, hahanapin din natin si a sub n. Again, S sub n, it is the sum of the first n terms. N is the number of terms, yung hanggang pang ilang term yung ito total natin. A sub 1, hindi po nagbabago. That is always the first term of the sequence. And A sub n is the nth term. Now, let's have examples. So, for example number 1, consider the series 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on. Now, we need to find the value of, for the first one, that is S sub 20, and the second one is S sub 35. So for letter A, we need to find for the sum of the first 20 terms. So mula kay first term na 3 hanggang kay 20th term, ano daw yung total? Kay letter B naman, mula kay first term na 3 hanggang kay 35th term, ano daw yung total? Now, let's have S sub 20 first. So again, ano yung formula natin? Lagi pag magsasolve, magsisimula sa formula. So we have S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So lahat daw ang hahanapin natin is S sub 20. So lahat ng n ay gagawin nating 20. So we will have S sub 20 is equal to 20 over 2 times, hayaan muna natin si a sub 1 plus a sub, since ito ay a sub n, so gagawin natin a sub 20. So ano yung nakita natin? Sa pagsasolve ng S sub 20, kailangan natin si a sub 20. Kaso andyan ba si a sub 20? Nasa given ba? So wala, kasi ang given lang po sa atin ay si first, second, third, at fourth term. So kailangan muna natin hanapin si a sub 20. And in finding for a sub 20, gagamitin natin formula is yung formula ng nth term. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So hahanapin natin si a sub 20. So equal, substitute, a sub 1, the first term hindi po nagbabago, that is 3. Plus, n, pang ilang term ang hinahanap? 20, so n is 20 minus 1 times, ano yung common difference? 15 minus 11, 4. 11 minus 7 is also 4. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So therefore, the common difference is 4. Next, following the PEMDAS rule, simplify first yung nasa parentheses. So 20 minus 1 is 19 times the common difference na 4 equals 3 plus what is 19 times 4. So 19 times 4 is equal to 76. And adding those two numbers, we have 3 plus 76 is 79. So therefore, the 20th term is 79. Now, on your activity mamaya, kapag hinahanap sa inyo yung nth term, no need to write na po si a sub 20 equals. Yung answer na lang po, yung number na lang ang ilalagay nyo. Maliwanag po para po hindi balian ng Schoology yung answer nyo. Now that alam na natin si a sub 20 or the 20th term, pwede natin i-substitute kay formula dito sa kabila. So we will have 20 divided by 2 na. So this is 10 times, palitan na natin si a sub 1. A sub 1 is 3 plus, ano yung nakuha nating a sub 20? 79. So we have 3 plus 79 equals 10 times 3 plus 79, that is equal to 82, and multiply 10 times 82 is equal to 820. So therefore, S sub 20 or the sum of the first 20 terms of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 820. Let us now have the second example. So we have again 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on. Ang hahanapin naman natin ngayon is S sub 35 or the sum of the first 35 terms of the sequence. So kukuhanin daw natin yung sum kapag pinag-add natin mula 3 hanggang doon sa pang 35 na term ng arithmetic sequence. Now, since nakita natin kanina na kapag hinahanap natin yung S sub 35 or yung S sub n, kailangan mo nang hanapin si A sub n, di ba? So in this example, hanapin na natin agad si A sub n kasi alam natin na gagamitin na natin siya in solving for S sub 35. So in this case, since S sub 35 ang hinahanap, so ibig sabihin kailangan nating hanapin din ang value ni A sub 35 or si 35th term of the sequence. So again, in finding for the 35th term of the sequence, we will have the formula A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then again, substitute the given. So we have A sub 35 equals A sub 1 is 3 plus the value of n is 35 kasi hinahanap natin is the 35th term minus 1 times the common difference na ano yung kanina? The common difference is 4. So equals 3 plus 35 minus 1 will give you 34 times 4 equals 3 plus 34 times 4 is equal to 136. And adding those two, 3 plus 136, so therefore A sub 35 is equal to 139. So therefore, 139 is the 35th term of this arithmetic sequence. So now na alam na natin si 35th term, madali nang kuhanin si S sub 35. Again, start with the formula. S sub n equals n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. So substitute, nahanap natin si S sub 35 equals, ano ang value ng n? N is kung pang ilang term yan, kung ano yung naka-subscript doon. So we have 35 over 2 times A sub 1, again, is the first term. So that is 3 plus yung a sub n ay yung hinanap natin kanina, si 139 equals, divide yung dalawa, okay lang may decimal, 35 divided by 2, what is the answer? Okay, the answer is 17.5. Okay lang po may decimal dyan kasi i-multiply lang naman natin. 3 plus 139 will give you 142. And multiplying this to 17.5 times 142, the answer is 2,485. So therefore, S sub 35, or the sum of the first 35 terms of the sequence, is equal to 2,485. Let us now have example number 2. Now, consider the series -4, 1, 6, 11, 16, and so on. Ano naman kayong hahanapin natin dito? So, hahanapin natin is S sub 10 and S sub 25. So, S sub 10, sum of the first 10 terms. S sub 25 is the sum of the first 25 terms of this sequence. Now, let's have the first one. Si letter A muna tayo. So, hahanapin si S sub 10. Katulad kanina, kung yung itong formula na to ang gagamitin natin, kung hinahanap si S sub 10, ibig sabihin, kailangan din natin hanapin si A sub 10. So that means, gagamitin natin si formula na A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. So substitute. So we have A sub 10 equals A sub 1, first term is negative 4 plus, what is the value of n? N is 10. Minus 1 times, what is the common difference? Kapag ganito, since automatically ito ay ang magiging arithmetic sequence naman, so ang gagawin nyo na lang para makita ang common difference is to subtract only one number. Pwede ng 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11 will give you 5. Automatically, that is the common difference. Next, simplify. So, negative 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times the common difference, na 5. So, equals negative 4 plus 9 times 5 is 45. And negative 4 plus 45 is positive 41. So, therefore, that is the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence. Bakit naging positive? Kasi mas mataas po ang absolute value ng positive 45 kaysa kay negative 4. Next, let us now have S sub 10. So again, start with the formula. S sub n equals n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. The next, substitute na natin yung mga hinahanap. So, S sub 10 equals n is 10 over 2 times first term, negative 4 plus, ano yung nakuha natin kanina na A sub n? That is 41 equals, 10 divided by 2, that is 5 times negative 4 plus 41, the answer is 37. And multiplying those two numbers, 5 times 37 will give us 185. So this is now the value of S sub 10, or the sum of the first 10 terms of this arithmetic sequence. Let us now have the second one. So in this item, we will be looking for the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence. Kasi, bakit natin hahanapin yung 25th term? Kasi ang hinahanap is S sub 25. Now, start with the formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So we will have A sub 25 equals A sub 1, the first term is negative 4 plus n is 25 kasi hinahanap natin is the 25th term, minus 1 times the common difference kanina, which is 5, equals negative 4 plus, diretsuhin na natin na 25 minus 1 is 24, and 24 times 5 is equal to 120. So equals negative 4 plus 120 is equal to 116. So therefore, the 25th term of this arithmetic sequence is 116. So si 116 po ang gagamitin natin in solving for S sub 25. So we will have, again, start with the formula, S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Hinahanap si S sub 25. So equals n over, not n, but 25 over 2. Sinubstitute na natin kasi ang hinahanap is the sum of the first 25 terms, kaya ang n na ay 25. Times a sub 1 is negative 4 plus, ano yung nakuha nating n term kanina? That is 116. Equals, 25 divided by 2 will give you 12.5 times negative 4 plus 116 will give you positive 112. Pinag-minus kasi magkaiba ng sign. Then, multiply. 12.5 times 112 will give you 1,400. So, therefore, S sub 25 is 1,400. Let us now have example number 3. Now, for the third example, let us consider the series negative 25, negative 10, 5, 20, and so on. Now, isa lang po yung hanapin daw natin. We need to look for S sub 50, or the sum of the first 50 terms of the arithmetic sequence. Now, S sub 50 ang hinahanap. So, bago ma-solve sa S sub 50, kailangan muna natin si A sub n. So, start with the formula again. A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Lagi po magsimula sa formula para hindi po kayo malilito kung ano na yung mga isa-substitute. At para saulado nyo rin po yung formula. Equals, nahanap ay si A sub 50. A sub 1, first term, negative 25 plus, what is n? N will be 50 kasi nahanap natin ay si 50th term. Minus 1 times, what is the common difference? O, tingnan natin dito. 20 minus 5, 15. So, automatically, yun na po si common difference. Huwag nyo nang pahirapan yung sarili nyo na i-minus pa yung 5 minus negative 10, negative 10 minus negative 25. Hanap na lang po kayo, isang minus lang, okay na yun. Equals negative 25 plus, simplify, 50 minus 1 is 49, and 49 times 15 is 735. So therefore, yun na yung sulat natin. Again, saan nang galing sa 735? That is 50 minus 1 times 15. 50 minus 1 is 49, and 49 times 15 is 735. Then, add yung dalawa. Negative 25 plus positive 735. That will give you the value ng A sub 50, and that is equal to 710. Next, since may n term na, makukuha na si S sub n, and that is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Again, laging magsisimula sa formula. So equals, hinahanap S sub 50. Ano ang magiging value ng n? Ang value ng n, kung ano yung nakasubscript sa katabi ng s, that is 50 over 2 times the first term, negative 25, plus yung nakuha natin na a sub n kanina, and that is 710. So now, simplify. 50 divided by 2, this is 25. Then, negative 25 plus 710, that is equal to 685. And 25 times 685 is equal to 17,125. So, si 17,125 is S sub 50, or the sum of the first 50 terms of this arithmetic sequence. Si 17,125, yung makukuha nating sum kapag pinag-add natin mula kay negative 25 hanggang doon sa pang 50th term na 710. Let us now go back to our learning targets. Nagawa ba natin, na-accomplish ba natin yung learning target na to? Nagawa ba natin ma-determine yung sum ng isang given arithmetic sequence? So the answer is yes. So pwede natin checkan to. So nakuha na natin yung sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence using the first formula. So for tomorrow, I'll be giving you another formula, and let's see kung alin yung mas madaling gamitin in finding the sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, that is all for today. So that is again lesson 4.1 about the arithmetic series. So thank you grade 10, and stay healthy and safe.